Ever feel like your money just vanishes? You get paid, you think you're being careful, but by the end of the month, you're wondering where it all went. You're not alone. Managing expenses is a struggle for so many people. It's easy to lose track of small purchases, forget about recurring bills, and suddenly, you're way over budget. That's where budgeting apps come in, and today, we're diving deep into one of the most popular ones, Goodbudget. Specifically, we're tackling the essential skill of recording expenses in Goodbudget. Goodbudget uses the envelope budgeting system, which is a fantastic way to visualize and control your spending. But knowing how to record those transactions is crucial to making the system work. If you're not logging your expenses accurately, your budget is just a nice-looking plan that doesn't reflect reality. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and learn how to properly record expenses in Goodbudget, you're in the right place. First things first, let's talk about why accurate expense recording is so important. Think of it like this: your budget is the roadmap for your money. Recording expenses is how you track your progress. If you don't mark where you've been on the map, how do you know if you're on the right track? Accurate expense tracking allows you to see exactly where your money is going. This gives you valuable insights into your spending habits. Are you overspending on dining out? Are those impulse coffee purchases adding up more than you realize? You won't know unless you're diligently recording your expenses. Beyond just seeing where your money goes, accurate recording also helps you stay within your budget. Goodbudget's envelope system relies on you allocating specific amounts of money to different categories, your envelopes. When you record an expense, it's deducted from the relevant envelope. This keeps your envelope balances up to date, so you can see at a glance how much you have left to spend in each category. Without accurate recording, your envelope balances become meaningless, and you lose the visual cue that helps you stay on track. Okay, so let's get into the how of recording expenses in Goodbudget. There are a couple of ways to do this, and we'll cover both. The most common way is to manually enter transactions. This is perfect for everyday expenses, like groceries, gas, or that aforementioned coffee. Open the Goodbudget app on your phone or go to the Goodbudget website. Navigate to the Transactions tab. You'll see a form where you can enter the details of your expense. First, select the date of the transaction. This is important for keeping your budget timeline accurate. Then, choose the envelope the expense came from. Let's say you spent $50 on groceries. You'd select your groceries envelope. Next, enter the amount of the transaction. In this case, $50. You can also add a memo to the transaction. This is helpful for future reference. For example, you might write grocery shopping at Trader Joe's. Finally, if the expense is split between multiple envelopes, you can use the Split Transaction feature. This is useful for things like a trip to the store where you bought both groceries and household items. Another way to record expenses in Goodbudget is by linking your bank accounts. This is a huge time saver, especially for recurring expenses like rent or utilities. Linking your accounts allows Goodbudget to automatically import transactions. However, it's crucial to understand that simply linking your accounts doesn't automatically categorize your expenses. You still need to review the imported transactions and assign them to the correct envelopes. Think of it as Goodbudget doing the data entry for you, but you're still in charge of the budgeting decisions. To link your bank accounts, go to the Accounts tab in Goodbudget. You'll find instructions on how to securely connect your accounts. Once linked, Goodbudget will regularly import your transactions. You can then review these transactions and categorize them. This is where the real work comes in. Don't just assume Goodbudget will guess correctly. Take the time to review each transaction and make sure it's assigned to the right envelope. This is essential for maintaining the accuracy of your budget. Now, let's talk about some tips and tricks for effective expense recording. First, make it a habit. The sooner you record an expense, the less likely you are to forget about it. Try to record your transactions as soon as possible after they occur, ideally on the same day. This might mean quickly jotting down notes on your phone or using the Goodbudget app at the point of purchase. Second, be consistent. Don't just record the big expenses and ignore the small ones. Those small expenses can add up quickly and throw your budget off track. Every penny counts, so make sure you're recording everything, no matter how small. Third, reconcile your accounts regularly. This means comparing your Goodbudget data with your bank statements. This will help you catch any errors or missed transactions. Reconciling your accounts is like double-checking your work. It ensures that your budget is accurate and up-to-date. Fourth, utilize the reporting features in Goodbudget. Goodbudget offers various reports that can give you valuable insights into your spending habits. You can see where your money is going, identify areas where you're overspending, and track your progress towards your financial goals. These reports are a powerful tool for making informed financial decisions. Fifth, don't be afraid to adjust your budget. Your budget is not set in stone. It's a living document that should evolve with your changing circumstances. If you find that you're consistently overspending in a particular category, you may need to adjust your envelope allocations. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. Finally, remember that budgeting is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort to develop good budgeting habits. Don't get discouraged if you make mistakes along the way. Just keep practicing and learning, and you'll eventually get the hang of it. And with Goodbudget, and especially with accurate expense recording, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.